right, number 10. We are trying to factor, which means we want to write this as a multiplication problem instead of a subtraction problem. So we want to figure out what factor, what's our largest factor that goes into 18 and 48. So if you think about your factors of 18, that's 1 and 18, 2 and 9, 3 and 6. If you need to write those out, then you can make a list, or you can look in your calculator. You can go to y equals and type in 18 divided by x, and then you can look at your list. So you've got 1 and 18, 2 and 9, 3 and 6, and then they start repeating, okay? Do the same thing with 48. Go to your table. You've got 1 and 48, 2 and 24, 3 and 16, 4 and 12, and 6 and 8. So the largest one that appeared in both was 6. So I'm going to factor out a 6. Okay? And then when you have variables, you pick, if the variable appears in both of them, then you pick the smallest exponent. So a is in both of these. This is a squared, this is a. So a is smaller, so I'm going to factor out an a. B, it's the exact same in both of them, so I'm just going to take out a b. And then c, you have a c squared and a c cubed. C squared is smaller, so I'm going to take out a c squared. And then all we have to do is write what's left over. And to do that, you're basically dividing each term by this monomial that you have here. All right. The city with the largest bat colony is located in Texas. So if you're scared of bats, don't go to Texas. All right, 18 divided by 6 is 3. And you've got a squared, and you've taken out 1, so you have 1 left. You have b, and you've taken out 1, so you don't have any left. And then you have c squared, and you took out a c squared, so you don't have any left. So if I distribute that back in, I'll get this term. And then minus 48 divided by 6 is 8. You took out an a, you took out a b, and you took out a c squared, so that leaves you with c. So this would be your answer for number 10. You can distribute that back to make sure that you get this, and to make sure everything is correct.